Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. Today here we've got our roof slope, and I placed these roof drains on top. These are families that we'll set here, and then I'll take a look at these guys, and I want to just do a edit family if you ever want to check what it looked like. So this is what we have. It's just a family I copied off of, oh, and has a connection for a pipe there as well. That's great. I got these off of Revit City. So I'm going to go back into my project here. And we're going to, in this exercise, in this today, we're going to look at drafting view. And we're going to create a drafting view of the roof drainage because it's probably easier, and this is typically what they do. So here I'm going to go into my view tab here, and I'm going to go to, it says drafting view, and here I'm going to call this roof drain. Yep. Or you can call it whatever. Some call it drain overflow or whatever. And we're going to go at 1 1/2 inch scale, and I'm going to go OK. So now I am in that drafting view. As you see, roof drain on the tab here, and then if I go to drafting views, you see the roof drain there, and it's highlighted because I'm in that view. So now what we would like to do here in this view, let's drop a reference plane in here under the architecture tab, I think, hopefully. Yep, there it is. So I'm going to drop a line right here, a reference plane, going straight through the middle here. And I'll drop it right there. And then I want to go into my view tab, or my annotate tab, and select component, detail component, and I have my roof drain here from this detail component. Now if you don't have that, if you can't find it in your project, you can always go to your insert tab here and you can load it in. Yeah, you can load it there. That's basically what I got it from. So I'm gonna cancel that out, and I'm going to go and place the one I have in here again on the annotate and component. I want to place detail component. And here I want to place this about 1 foot 3 inches from the reference plane we have here. Okay, now let's go into our annotate tab and select view region. And what I want to do, I want to go here and I want to draw a shape from, let's say, about here down to here. Okay, now, and then I want to go and finish this. Okay, now the region, I don't want that one. I want the crosshatch region, so I select this here. That might work for us for this project, but I prefer to have the crosshatch region here. Or let's go and select it here. Remember how to modify this annotate region, and then we go mask. Okay, so here, okay, I'm sorry, cancel that. So we can select this guy, cancel that. Let's select it, and here we can select the type of region we want. So for this, I think I want something. Let's see, we got horizontal line. Nope, don't want that. Let's go with the for now, we'll go with this because I have to load some in. Let's see, vertical lines. No. But you get the idea. You can get any pattern you want here. Let me see, diagonal up. No. So that's what's going on there. You can practically. Okay, so basically what we're going to do here, let's go ahead and just do, let's go, so I'm going to take this here, and I'm going to change this to, yeah, ortho cross. Let's go with that one for that. And then we can change this scale too, I think. But for now, let's just move on with this. And then I want to place, let's see. Let's do another region, and I want to go with this, and from here to here, I tell you what, let's do a pick line. Let's just draw a line here to there, and we'll bring this all the way across to here, and we'll do another line here. Drag this all the way across to there, and then we have to close it. Okay, and then we'll have to close it on this end as well, and then we'll finish it and see what we get. Now we want to do a little something different here, so with this one, let's just keep this one, this will be solid. Well, we can change anything we want. So we got crosshatch here. Let's just go with, I'll tell you what, I'm going to undo that, and I don't want no hatch in here for that one. I'm going to just finish it. Okay, and I'm going to get that. So now, at this point, so this is, I'll tell you what we'll do. I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do it this way. Let me go undo. Sorry, folks. I'm going to go undo there, and then I'm going to place something here. Yeah, I'm going to just do another rectangle here. We'll go from here through to here, and I want this to be let's see, I'll go with solid black here, and I'll finish it. And then above, I'll just have a little something here. This is basically, you can do these however you want. Actually, solid black probably won't work there. It's probably something sandy, or let me see if I can edit this, change this to something else here. Ortho crosshatch, vertical line, field region. Let's so go with dots. Let's see if I can search out dots here. There you go. Okay. Can't find those, so I'm just going to do that back. And then here, I want to place just some lines here. We'll stick with the black. But anyway, that's basically the idea here. And I want to draw here a line going this way. Just some regular lines. So basically this is really getting detailed for this. This is probably going to be the top, or whatever your manufacturer might have here, or whatever. I'm going to take this here, back up to there, and we close it there. And I want to, there you go. So there's our detail, our drafting view. And now I did that for the reason of, okay, say you see we got here now. So now I'm going to select this. I'm going to mirror it here to here. And there's our roof drain detail. Okay, so now we can do a break line here or there, or I can do this. I'm going to select these guys. I'm going to go Control. So I can grab all this, and I'm going to mirror it off this point. I think I got a center point in there I can use. Yeah, that's probably it right there, and go boom. Okay, and the same with this one here. Go mirror this point. Uh-oh. Try it again here. I'm going to grab these components. I want to mirror them off this center line right here. Why is it not copying over there? I don't know. Did I get it all? Try one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm going to leave it there. Okay, for some reason it's not mirroring back that way. But what I can do is try this. Maybe this is why, and I'll mirror it here. That point. There we go. So why it's doing that, I don't know. And then you can add annotations here. There. Should be 2.6. And then we have our drafting view basically. And then you can add notes here. So we go annotation. Go select text here. Place text, and we'll go here and say cast iron dome. And do caps here. And then you can go ahead and finish whatever information you have on this. You can tell the roof material and the flashing, the gravel. So this would be your flashing here. So I'm going here and add another note, say flashing. So this is basically how you would deal with detail. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I hope this helps. And I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe. And so this is basically a drafting view. Very simple. And we can come back to this view later on to place it on the sheet. So everybody be safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Have a good one. And please subscribe and send me a super thanks.